Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. What is important is that, of course, we need to know how to navigate on the phone when the TalkBack is enabled, because all these gestures that we can do on our phone, etc., they are slightly changed when TalkBack is on. So for example, if you use buttons for navigation, then you can tap on any of these buttons once in order to select the button, and then double tap in order to confirm the selected choice. And this, of course, applies to pretty much everything that you can select, like every menu. It can be an app selection, and so on and so forth. And for gestures, for example, if you want to swipe to the left, to the right, up and down, if you want to scroll, if you want to, for example, swipe over here in background apps, then you have to use 2 fingers instead of 1. So whatever you do with 1 finger, you have to do with 2 fingers instead. So for example, if I want to close settings, I can just swipe with 2 fingers like this. So if you have gestures for navigation, you need to use 2 fingers to perform the gesture. Now, after that, let's start from the home screen. We're gonna go to settings. So we can tap on the settings app once in order to select it, and then double tap in order to open it. But if you need to go to the app drawer, or if you need to switch page, then once again, use 2 fingers to do that. So we're gonna scroll, tap on settings, and then double tap. Now, over here, we're gonna scroll down, and we need to find additional settings. So you're gonna tap on additional settings and then double tap. Then we're gonna go to accessibility, so tap once and then double tap. And over here we need to switch to vision tab, so select vision and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack once and then double tap. Now we need to tap on the switcher once and then double tap. Tap on a turn off and double tap to confirm. And now finally the TalkBack is disabled and you can use your phone the usual way again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.